Hello friends. So are you a non-IT student and you are looking for a job in IT sector? So I have prepared a slide for you to see what are the job opportunities you can apply for a IT industry. Okay. So if you are non-IT students, if you have not done any IT courses or IT full-time course, if you are a non-IT background, still you can get a job in information technology sector, IT sector, and you can still get good salary, very good healthy salary, same salary the IT people get and engineering students get, the same salary you can also get. Okay, so let's see what are these job opportunity in IT sector for a non-engineering person. Okay, so first job opportunity is related to business analyst. So if you have done any management course, or if you are good in English, fluency in English, if you have very good communication skill, okay, and you can have better understanding of the businesses, okay, how it runs and what is the business model, business analyst role. Okay, and so this is very demanding and hot job opportunity in IT market. So let's see the other opportunities as well. The other opportunities, language tester. So if you have any foreign language degree, or if you know any foreign language other than English, you can apply for a language tester job, okay, in IT. So IT people, IT industry, they look for testing person who has multiple skill, language skill for their mobile or application testing purpose. Okay, so if you have any foreign language skill, you can apply for this role. Okay, so other one is translator interpreter in IT sector. Again, they need people who know language, foreign language, to translate from English to that language and vice versa. And the same person who is applying for language tester, the same role, translator interpreter, also can apply for this role. The next role we will see. The next role is competency manager. So what is competency manager? Competency manager look for the competency of the IT employees. Okay, for a company, all the employees must meet some certain competency level, right? So they have some trainings, some courses to attend, to complete. So IT manager will track on those record, and he will manage all the competency related trainings and courses. Let's see the next job availability. Next role is knowledge manager. So knowledge manager is like he will create one centralized path where all the training materials, libraries is created and managing on daily basis. So knowledge manager will also create the content for knowledge purpose for its employee. Okay, so it is also a demanding role in IT sector nowadays. Let's see the other role also. It is agile coach or mentor. So agile coach, it is very demanding job opportunity nowadays in IT sector. But for this, you don't have to be an IT engineering students or background. Okay, if you have very good understanding on agile methodology, and if you have some certification like agile scrum master and all, and you have experience, then you can definitely go for this role. Let's see the next role. Next role is resource manager. So what resource management team does? Resource management team, they supply resources for the project team. So if any project needs resources, resource manager will contact to the bench pool resources, and they will pick up right resources for the project team. Okay, so this is also highly demanding job in IT sector. Let's see the other role. It's project coordinator. So project coordinator will interact with with client manager, with client team, and also the internal team. Okay, so in order to deliver the projects, so project coordinator will handle the escalations. They will see if the project timeline is meeting on time, quality deliverables is happening or not. So for this role also, IT background is not required. If you have project coordinator role, if you have good communication skill, okay, so in for this role you can apply. Let's see the next role. Next role is PMO, project manager office. So project manager office, what he does or she does, project management office is like they will create, indent, they will create, job role, appraisal, all those things, like how many resources they need for a project, budget allocation and all. Actually project manager, they delegate this role to PMO, delegate this role to project manager office person. The project manager office will closely work with the project manager and he will help or assist the project manager. Okay, so this role also doesn't need any IT background or IT knowledge. Okay, next is the content writer. So content writer is like, for example, if you need to prepare any business case, okay, or sales document, so this guy, content writer, he will take all the requirements from the team, and he should be or she should be very good in English, in writing skill, should be very grammatically correct, and he should or she should be very good in English. So he or she will write the content of that for the salesperson or for the marketing team or for the knowledge management team. So he will prepare the document, okay, like many pages document he will write, and he will provide to the concerned team, concerned person, and concerned person will take that document with client for the presentation purpose. But the content writer will write all the test cases for the team. Next, see the other role. The other role is visa or immigration department. So where for all the IT companies, they do send their employees to overseas. So for that purpose they have one dedicated department called visa immigration department. So they will check all the passport, visa formalities, they will send it for stamps. Okay, so this all the process, this department, visa immigration department, they assist the employees. So for this role also, this non-IT background candidates can apply. The other role is accounts and finance team. So account and finance team, again they look for payroll, they look for claim settlement, mediclaim, etc. So they have various opportunities in the IT sector. So you can search for those kind of job and you can apply. The next one, claim settlement team. So claim settlement team, again all the employees, when they claim for reimbursement purpose, for travel reimbursement, for medical reimbursement, okay, for any other reimbursement, they with those claims goes to claim settlement team, and then claim settlement team will verify or review the claims and they will approve or reject in the system. So for that purpose also is a back office job, you can say. So for this purpose also there is a dedicated team for each IT companies they have. So for this role also you can apply. Okay, so these are the main role, job opportunity you can look for an IT company, and if you have non-IT background you can still apply for these jobs and you can get very good salary from these IT companies. Okay, and the last one, I think I have again kept this one as a client customer visit manager. So this customer visit manager, he will coordinate with client, customer and the project SPOC, and he will arrange all the card access management things. He will arrange the foods and also logistics for the customer who is visiting the campus. So this guy will arrange everything for the customer visit or the campus visit. Okay, so this is also one of the role. And then the logistic and access management. So logistic and access management, again the access management team, your swipe in and swipe out card, they will manage your access, okay, which ODC you need to have access. Okay, also the logistics, settlement things, they will look for it. So for this also they have dedicated team department. So that there are also many vacancies are available. So you can look for it, and many IT companies, they look for this kind of role, and they are offering very good salary. Okay, so these are the hot topics I have, hot roles I have gathered. And if you have still IT non-IT background, you can apply for these jobs. Okay, and I think you have liked this subject, and you have now come to know that what are the roles you can apply in IT sector. Okay, and if you like my content, please subscribe and support my work. And for that, for like, I'll in future also I'll post this kind of informative videos for you, so that you can get your dream job. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.